How to convert Excel data into PowerPoint slides. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your preferred browser. Here I will be using Google Sheets. So I will use Google Sheets for Excel and then PowerPoint slide for Google Slides. So what you will have to do is, in order to add this spreadsheet data to PowerPoint slide, first I will use this demo data. Now you can simply copy it and then paste it in your Google Slides and make slides. But the next option you can do is simply copy the link. First download it and download it as Microsoft Excel itself, and then here simply go to insert, then go to link, and there you can easily add a link of your spreadsheet. So